Good day, everyone. There's this huge talk around the world now about what people perceive to be this new sonic weapon that the United States used in Venezuela. And Trump talks about all the secret technology they have that no one knows about. It's absolute nonsense. It's posturing. And this person that supposedly was there while 300 bullets per minute were flying out of each rifle was AI. That I can tell you 100%. That entire script was AI generated, comes from the White House, and they are just trying to tell foreign adversaries that they'll be able to do nothing if the US troops arrive in town. And it's just political posturing. It's really pathetic because it's that obvious. Sonic weapons have existed for a very long time, since speakers have been able to be turned up loud and subwoofers can shake the ground. Since we were able to reproduce frequencies with sonic devices, we've been able to make people vomit, make people feel sick, and do many other things. So while I was at Kuburg on the last project, a sonic weapon was actually demonstrated there to be used on crowds of people that might want to storm the facility, or terrorist groups that might want to storm the facility. It was a US company that made these sonic weapons, and all they do is literally put you into a state of uh, disability. It's difficult for your mind to think while you are hearing this high pitched noise. That's very confusing. It's supposed to disorient you, and it can be used on crowds by police. But in international law, something like that is not allowed, and the US doesn't care about international law, and certainly Donald Trump does not. But for them to claim that they have technology that no one else has, they're talking absolute crap. I mean, the Russians, the Chinese, all work together with regards to technologies, and it's all posturing. It's all to make people feel and think a certain way. Now, to use weapons like this on the public would be absolutely shocking. So, for them to try and now make as if this weapon is a big deal in this extraction of Maduro, um, ugh, I don't fall for things like that. These weapons are really a problem. If they are used in a very powerful form, they can cause harm, long term harm, health issues. But it's all known. This is nothing new. And maser and laser technology has been combined into direct energy weapons. And, on the 1st of February, I'll be doing a presentation that you can find on our Telegram channel and our community tab on YouTube. You can book for it if you want to, where I will speak about the weapons of the world. And I will cover weapons that you can't even think of right now. Um, Once you attend the presentation, you will understand that a lot more than just technology can be weaponized. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet. If you want information from a very different perspective, looking into the future. And like this video and share it with your friends and family. And remember, stay free.